So, hello, good day, and this will be my reaction video towards the given assignment entitled The Philippine Most Shocking Stories Episode 8, The Mayor Did It, The Eileen Sarmenta and Alan Gomez Murders. So, upon checking it, my reviews are quite a little, since the 20-minute video is also a worth to watch, since it was the story of the young girl, which is the Eileen, and the murdered another male is Alan. So good thing was the evidences are present. I like the investigation with the crime. They make the lie detection. They completed the evidences like the gun shells, the white shorts of Eileen, the bloods to the used van or the ambulance. They also have the witnesses, which is very important in having a trial. My reaction towards this crime of murder was interesting to watch, since in the Philippines we all know that murder is very common. Presenting evidences are the very important to us to solve a crime, to solve a case. So in the Philippines, or in the Philippine justice, although I didn't see or didn't know if the murdered couple, Eileen and Alan, own their justice, and it was not mentioned in the video, but I was still in question that why is it there's no proof that Mayor Sanchez did the murder and rape of Eileen. So it was not mentioned, but like I said, the video was worth it. They presented all the evidences, though in our subject, the Rule 128, or the evidence, says that there are rules to be followed, and although in the times of 1993 there was still lacking, but they were able to present the evidences. They were able to work out. But though Sanchez died, I think it was a good news that he died already, because he deserves it. And I think the murdered ones, Alan and Eileen, is already happy now, even though they don't get the justice. And all in all, I like the video, I like the process, which is the evidences, and that's all. Thank you.